Welcome to this new guide where we explain how to assign static IP from the gateway and the Windows. This guide is on language Italian. You can find it at this URL, but you can translate with the label on the left. And we speak about how to assign static IP. I read from the article, and after I explain with some more example. And we are now in this article how to assign a static IP from your computer, tablet, smartphone. Before the advent of the new modem router, there was no DHCP technology. Now, instead, dynamic assignment, thanks to this technology, is automatic. Obviously, assigning a dynamic IP means over time you turn on your modem router technology. Make sure you have a different IP address. We suffered a clarification as a dynamic IP does not mean not being tracked. So how to travel without a cookie means that you are not traceable. Why have a static IP address rather than dynamic? Certainly because you need to specify requirements. For example, if you have to path a web server with a wireless camera and do not want to use the port forwarding technique, or if you play a game online desktop like VOT and want to eliminate the latency of ping network. If you try to assign dynamic IP for other reason, honestly, be sure to first get a real advantage. Like you have a web server remotely and want to add another one of the local device, you not use this technique. To accomplish this operation, however, there are various methods and all quite simple. I illustrate someone. The first technique to illustrate it is assign static IP via modem router. It's probably that your private IP is 192, 168, 1 and 1. But if you try to path this IP on your browser and nothing is happened, it's better to find the correct IP address of your router, and you must see. Wait a moment. You must write CMD, and it is application desktop prompts. It is the old shell of Windows, and here write ipconfig, and you found your IP, your gateway, predefined gateway, and address IP4. This is mine, and this is my gateway, predefined gateway. Okay, so we have seen how to obtain our data, and now we go to the LAN setting, device, and local network. If you have a router of Netgear, and after seeing the label of DHCP DHCP, and I'm sorry, but this is only for the router Netgear, and if you have other router, I give you the link to check the correct configuration. For example, if you have a TCP/IP link as me, you must do the login to the right address of your gateway, predefined gateway that we have seen is this. Wait a moment. Okay. And after go on DHCP server, and you disable these options and save, and after go on system tool, okay, system tool, and reboot the server. Click here on reboot, and after you have assign a static IP to your modem router. Otherwise, you can choose another route that it is change the TCP IP with your version of Windows. In this moment, I am using Windows 10 Cortana, and so I go here. Here you write impostazioni, but your language is settings. Click, and after go on here, center division, center connection, LAN and sharing, and your Wi-Fi name, property, found internet version protocol 4, TCP IP version 4, and here you must write use the following IP address. Here write the IP that you want to use. For example, is for 192, 168, 1, and I'm sorry, and 5. Write the subnet mask with filtering all without the latest that you want to assign, and here write the private IP of your gateway, and only a moment, and after click here and OK, and from this moment you have an IP statics, so you have not changed your IP when you open your PC. This is for Windows 10, but we have the same route for if you have a smartphone or a tablet with Android, and this is the feature where you must pass the date for your static IP. For this lesson is all, and bye to the next lesson of TCP/IP assignment of IP statics, of statics IP.